Hey friends, recently I saw a very cool placement tool for use with a gel press. And as much as I love an expensive new gadget, I realized I could make one with a few things I had around the house. I'm using some inexpensive frames, but you could easily use scrap wood to make your own placement tool. This tool allows you to perfectly line up your layered prints without all the guesswork. And it's a wonderful way to use your gel press. Are you ready? Let's make a placement tool for gel press. I'm using two thin thrift store frames, one wide and one thin. You want frames that are about the same thickness as a gel press. If you don't have frames, I'm also going to cut one from a piece of 1/2 inch thick scrap wood. Remove the backing and the glass. Mark some lines down the center of each side of each frame. Cut both of the frames into 4 pieces. You want L shapes. Here I cut an L shape out of scrap wood. Place a thin frame L shape on a larger piece. Position them about 1/2 inch away from the inside corner of the larger pieces. Make sure the edges are parallel. Pencil them in and then glue them in place. I made a few of these with different measurements. The further away from the inside corner of the larger L shape, the larger the border you'll have on your print. The point of these placement tools is for creating layers on your gel press and matching up the placement with every new layer. Now that everything is dry, I'm going to give it a try. Add some paint to your gel press and distribute. Line up your placement tool and then place down your paper. Move the tool, then press and pull. Add more color. Line up your placement tool, place down your paper, press and pull again. Perfect placement every time. I love my new placement tools. I'm going to leave a link for everything we used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.